LinkedIn Learning is an educational site that grants you access to thousands of video courses to help you develop your business, technical, and creative skills. These courses are taught by industry experts and professionals, so you know you are learning from someone who is knowledgeable on the topic, and you can access the courses with your Grayslake Library card. Let's get started. To get to LinkedIn Learning, go to the Grayslake Library website and go to the Learn and Research tab. From there, go to Explore and Learn and click on LinkedIn Learning. Once you see this screen, click Get Started. Then enter your library card number and your PIN. By default, your PIN is the last 4 digits of your phone number. Click Continue to proceed. On the home page, you will see a number of recommended courses. To begin a course, you can click on one of these, or you can search for something more specific. On the top bar, there is a search option. Click on the magnifying glass to begin searching. You can enter the specific skill or software you'd like to learn. For this example, we will look at courses related to leading a meeting. As you type, LinkedIn Learning will suggest extra keywords that might return more relevant results. Let's click on Leading Productive Meetings. There are 2 types of results you will see on the following page: courses and videos. It will say what type of result it is above the title. Video results are individual videos from a larger course. You can see which course a video is from right here. To jump right into a course or video, hover your mouse over the image and click the play button that appears. Let's pause the video and go over the details of this new page. On the left-hand side of the screen are the contents of the course. Here, you can navigate to a specific chapter or video, or start from the beginning. In the upper right-hand side of the video, you can click on the plus sign to add the course to your collections, allowing you to come back to it later. At the bottom of the video, there are a number of controls. On the left, you can play or pause the video, move back or forward 10 seconds at a time, or go to the previous or next video. On the right, you can change the playback speed, turn closed captioning on or off, change the settings such as quality, adjust the volume, or enter full screen mode. Below the video, you can choose to view the course overview, open your notebook, or view the video's transcript. Notes you take on a video will be saved to the course you are viewing, so even if you're watching a later video, you can still reference them. Some courses include exercise files, which you can download and use to follow along with the instructor as you learn. Many courses have quizzes at the end of each chapter, letting you test your knowledge. On the far left-hand side of the screen, there is a button for My Library. Click on it to see your in-progress and completed courses, as well as any collections you have created. And those are the basics of using LinkedIn Learning with your Grayslake Library card. Happy learning!